Hello everybody, welcome to astraeakeva. I am Ayo. In today's video we're gonna have a live real-time 60-second male gesture drawing session, and I'll have 10 poses that are quite easy. So if you guys feel like you want to follow me along, feel free to check it out. And yeah, let's begin. Let's start. I'm using Pose Maniac's poses. Make the brush smaller. I usually start with the head, and then I would check out the points, I should say. Stretching on the side. Oh, it's a male figure. Let's draw try to exaggerate. I tend to change the poses if I feel like I wanna make it my own, I guess. Okay, hands up, and then it goes in like this. I think he's trying to catch a basketball or something. It's because I'm only starting it in the morning. My hands are a bit stiff. This way, it's a male character. Let's do it. So usually I tend to do gesture drawings in the morning, and then the rest of my day, because I am drawing, I'm collecting materials for my Patreon and all of that. My hands aren't so stiff anymore. Okay, legs this way. I'm just trying to catch the basic shape and movement, energy of the pose. My aim for my gesture drawings are to use less lines, which I have been. When I first started, I was trying to capture like the full drawing, sketching, but now I don't do that anymore. My main focus at this point is just capture the huge, big shapes, and then the energy that is happening. One leg is going this way, one leg is in front. I think his torso is a bit too narrow. Okay, hands this way. No. This is the first time I'm recording myself in real time as I'm drawing. Let's see. Oh, that didn't turn out right. But anyway, moving on. Let's put the energy line this way. His head is sort of foreshortening his chest and his arm. As long as I catch the essence, I really don't worry about how it looks. I do try to have a formula, like draw the head first and then draw the chest and then draw the legs. That way, okay. Okay. There are other resources that I use for for doing this, but I found out that I really do like the Pose Maniacs flow more. Let me just exaggerate his leg a bit up this way, and this one this way. Since the sun is going, his legs are a bit too short. That's not important. His legs are a bit too short for me. I need to fix that. I like how Pose Maniacs has how it flows. Because I did semi-realism for 6 years, I have a tendency of trying to focus on details. And I think I do need to step out of that. But when I see figures with clothing on, I just find it more difficult. But I want to overcome that. So I need to overcome that, I should say. Let's do it this way because he's leaning on the leg. His chest is sort of, let me push the pose a little bit more. Yeah. Next. Starting with the line of action today. I don't know if I will be able to post the next few days, post on YouTube because I'm moving, but I want to post more on. I'm not like a huge YouTuber or anything like that, but unfortunately you have to post. I have to post as much as I can for my content to be seen by more people. I don't have because I'm relatively new, I don't have like a fan base or anything like that. So I have to rely on my own resources. But I don't know, I'll try to post as much as I can. I don't know why I'm talking about these weird things, but yeah. I like this pose. I want to create an illustration with this pose. Sort of superhero, you're looking up at him. I'm gonna draw the legs first. Let's draw it this way. When I first started creating YouTube, I really just wanted to share my process because I don't like beating myself up. I think I'm doing better than I did before, and especially the fact that I did semi-realism, I kind of already have a few things in place. But I really wanted to encourage other artists not to feel discouraged, because you have to start somewhere. Even with my realism drawings with pencils and stuff like that, it took years to draw it. And I think it's paying off because I'm able to draw semi-realism without trying too hard. It's kind of intuition now. Okay, let's exaggerate. This arm is a bit foreshortened. Oh, timer's up. It's kind of difficult. last one, I think. That's his line of action this way, and fully showing the chest but twisting. I don't know why I make the mid body so short. He's going this way and he's reaching. I'm talking about random stuff now. Please don't call. Okay. If you can hear someone in the phone call, don't mind it. It's my brother. Okay. This way. I wish I could just push the pose more, the back leg. But anyway, that is all for today's drawing. Let me make the big screen bigger. That is it for today's gesture drawing. What do you guys think about me posting these gesture drawings? Please feel free. Oh no, I did it on the background layer. It doesn't really matter. Please feel free to share your thoughts. And if you are doing gesture drawings, gesture drawings are quite helpful for me because I do drawings on another channel, so these really come in handy. So like I said, I am setting up my Patreon account, and I will be posting more tutorials, especially tutorials that have to do with drawing semi-realism and especially workflows. I will try to focus on 2 programs, both Medibang as well as Photoshop. I think right now I'm working on another semi-realism sketch, and hopefully I will get it done soon. And then I have a few other videos as well. So the semi-realism tutorials I will post on Patreon. But anyway, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys have a great day and keep practicing. Please don't give up. Please don't have any negative thoughts about your own art. You can do it. And I mean, if I can do it, anybody can do it. But yes, have a great day, everybody. Bye.